Titus predicts the Tyranids Hive Tyrant is leading a swarm along a... Assist in the defense of the bridge until you confirm that the Xenos Overlord has entered the kill zone. Then trigger the detonation.
Orders confirmed, Captain Akaran.
Delta Wing, box check. Viridian is 60 seconds from drop.
Just landed.
Acknowledged. Proceeding to relay. Maintain box reports. Gamma clears out.
Reloading. Get eye cache flagged. Readying.
Advancing towards objective.
Rearming.
Object identified. Astartes protocol.
Frag grenade. Changing magazine. Alien biobomb eliminated. Inserting fresh magazine. Readying next volley. Frag grenade deployed. Do I resemble a foe? No! Reloading. You should lend me that jump pack sometime. I would never want for a good vantage again.
There is no better line of fire than a barrel rammed down the enemy's throat.
I hope you are cleaning it often.
New path ahead. On site. Sourcing demolition war gear.
The Munitorum does not store explosives to Codex Astartes standards. Locate enough to demolish the bridge.
Camelio line cloak ready.
Explosive offering prepared.
To mind.
Where shall this bomb do the most damage?
demolition shortly. Join the Imperial Guard defenses up on the bridge, and lure that Xenos Colossus into the kill zone.
Active camouflage charged. Eyes up, brothers! Xenos descending! Tyranids have no mind for tactics. Precisely what we needed. Melter charge planted. Down into the breach.
Astartes! We were not expecting such illustrious company in the rear ranks.
Strikes, my lord.
It's the relay that's getting hammered right now.
The beast that commands the sword will arrive here soon.
That's news. Without armor support to tackle a target that big, we may have to bring down the supply bridge.
It is already done, Guardsman.
Negative. The objective is the Hive Tyrant, not the bridge. Defend this position until the Tyranid command unit is executed.
Understood, my lord. May the Emperor guide our Lasguns to
The Emperor's angels, what we are made of! Rise up! They're trying to surround us on the roof!
Tyranids circling around the side.
put a pile up below.
The Hive Tyrant is on its way, but there is a horde of Xenos between you and it. Dig in for the long haul.
They are in point-blank range.
There's more coming!
You have its attention. It is moving to intercept. Apply more pressure.
Their numbers are no match for our trade. Rearming. Take all you can carry.
Keep your eyes peeled. The Xenos leader beast will be in visual range shortly.
Waiting for optimal time.
Hold. Give the Hive beast a moment. Detonate the charges now.
Inserting fresh magazine.
Confirmed hit.
Talassa to Delta Wing. The target is neutralized.
It is not dead. Clarification requested. The swarm would go feral without their connection to the hive mind, but their focus is still on the relay. Reports confirm the lieutenant's assessment. Enemy cohesion is still in full effect. That beast is not yet dead.
Good. I hate leaving a job unfinished.
We can hold this position, Lords. We'll keep the swarm off your backs while you hunt that thing.
Look, the rubber rubble is shifting down there. Courage and honor, brothers. I will see it through.
I unearth relics. I am airborne ready.
It sings of defiance and hope. Readying next volley. A Xenos stealth beast tries to ambush us. Lictor could not vanish from my sights.
Target attempting escape. Pursue and eliminate. We will not have a better opportunity to finish it off.
Area is spoken.
Launching crack grenade! Fester and rot. Xenos abomination.
Anal heat. We are the hunters here.
Medical stims found. Target identified.
Jump pack refueled.
Carry a big gun and never miss.
Talassa, report.
In pursuit of the target. The Emperor.
Talassa, you cut out. Repeat.
We have been cut off from our brethren. The heretics' jamming must reach this far.
Maintain squad cohesion. Continue pursuit.
Rearming. Crack grenade out. Sympathetic servants slaughtered. We need to head out. Inserting fresh magazine. Stim cache located. Picking up equipment.
Together we go.
Readying next volley. Elderbomb replica. Take all you can carry. Tossing frag grenade. Changing magazine. Reloading. Fester and rot, Xenos abomination. Nothing an apothecary cannot heal.